Now we're going to be replacing the receiver inside the unit. If you're not to this position with the top housing off, please go back to the disassembly instructional video. Then once you're to this position with the top housing off, we'll be in here where all the guts are, and we'll pull the lamp directly out, get that out of the way. Then we will remove the 2 screws that are holding the bulkhead down, and you'll be able to see those. Once those are removed, pull straight up. That'll pull the bulkhead off of the plate. So now we see the receiver here. Now we will unscrew. There's a screw here that we'll take off first. Set that to the side, and then that pops off. Once that's off, take your new receiver, and we will just transfer the connections directly over to the new one. To the side. That plugged in. Once that's plugged back in, we'll just place the receiver back where it was at. Find your screw. Then we'll turn this back around. One thing we need to make sure, we have a slider down here in the bottom, just a little piece. Make sure that you got the small side up, and then on the bottom of the bulkhead there's a little groove cut out, and we need to make sure to place that slider into that groove. So put it there, push it down, get all the, snap that into place, screw the 2 screws for the bulkhead back down, and your receiver is replaced.